In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page or duplicate a page in Canva. If you're working on a project and find yourself needing to expand your canvas, quite literally, with an additional page, or if you wish to carry over a design to a new page without starting from scratch, this tutorial is just for you. Let's dive straight into the process, ensuring your creative flow remains uninterrupted. Firstly, to add a new page in Canva is a breeze. After opening the Canva design you're working on, look towards the bottom of the page. You'll notice a small, conveniently placed plus icon. This icon acts as your gateway to additional space. By clicking on it, you instantly add a blank new page to your design. This is particularly useful when you need to create sequential content, or simply require a fresh start for a new concept while keeping it organized within the same project file. Now, onto duplicating a page. You might find yourself in situations where you've spent considerable time crafting the perfect design and you want to replicate it without altering the original. Duplicating is your best friend here. To achieve this, select the page that holds your desired design. Once selected, use the shortcut keys Ctrl and C. This might sound like a familiar action as it mirrors the standard copy command used across many programs. It's all about efficiency, and Canva embraces these universally accepted shortcuts to streamline your workflow. Having copied the page, the next step is equally straightforward. Navigate to the new page where you'd like this design to appear, or remain on the current design if that's your preference. Now simply paste the copied design using the Ctrl and V shortcut. Instantly, your original page is duplicated onto the new page, retaining all the intricate details and hard work you've put into it. This feature is perfect for projects that require consistency in style across multiple pages, or when variations of a design are needed without the hassle of recreating it each time. To recap, adding and duplicating pages in Canva is seamlessly integrated into its user-friendly interface. Whether you're expanding your design project with a fresh blank slate, or carrying over a meticulously crafted composition to a different page, Canva offers these functions to ensure you maintain creativity and productivity. It eliminates the repetitive nature of redesigning from scratch, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your creative vision. I hope this guide has been enlightening and enhances your Canva journey. As you familiarize yourself with these steps, you'll find your workflow becoming more intuitive and efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect, and Canva's plethora of features is there for you to explore and utilize. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.